Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open WeTransfer files on Android. So have you got a file sent to you via WeTransfer and wondering how to open it on your Android phone? No worries, I'll walk you through the exact steps to download and open this file smoothly, whether they are documents, photos, videos, or anything else. Now, you usually get a WeTransfer file link via email or messaging apps. So on your Android phone, tap the link in your email or message to open it in your web browser, which could be Chrome, Firefox, etc. Now, once the WeTransfer page loads, you'll see details about the file sent. So tap download button. The file will start downloading to your phone's downloads folder or to the default folder set in your browser. Now let's go ahead and locate the downloaded file. After the download completes, open your files or files manager. So your files manager app, which is this. So I'm using Files by Google. Then navigate to Downloads, which is here, this category, usually under internal storage. So once you click on it, then tap the downloaded file. You should find your downloaded files, the one that you just recently downloaded from WeTransfer. Then once you do that, your phone will suggest apps that can open the file based on its type. For example, PDFs open with Google PDF Viewer or Adobe Acrobat. Images open with your Gallery or Photos app. Then videos open with your Video Player app. If you get an error or no app opens the file, check the file format extension like PDF, JPG, MP4. And then download an app that supports that file type from the Play Store. For example, Adobe Acrobat for PDFs or VLC for videos. You can also download the official WeTransfer app from Google Play Store. Now, this lets you manage and open files sent via WeTransfer more easily. So here's a recap. Just tap the WeTransfer link in your message or email, download the file from the web page, open your file manager and find the file in download. Tap the file to open it to the compatible app. And that's it. You're ready to go. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.